And a big event in the local business world next week for the healthcare industry right here in New Orleans. The New Orleans Business Alliance will host the New Orleans Health Innovators Challenge finale. It's designed to encourage investment in startup digital healthcare companies and attract more of them here to the area. And joining us this morning to tell us more is Aimee Quirk. She's the CEO of innovationOchsner for the Ochsner Health System. And we're also joined by Somesh Nigam, the Senior Vice President and Chief Analytics and Data Officer for the Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Louisiana. Good morning, guys. We're so happy to have you here on the show with us.
Thanks for having us.
Can you talk to us a little bit, talk to us about the event and why it's so important here to the healthcare industry?
Yeah, no, I think, Megan, we, Ochsner as the largest health system and Blue Cross Blue Shield as the largest health insurer in the state, we have come together to really spur health innovation. And this is an event where we try to bring in startups, really a lot of entrepreneurial energy in these startups, and try to find ideas and spur ideas that will actually make a difference in the health and well-being of Louisianans. And we're very excited. This is the second year we've done it together. So we'll really hope to see a great turnout at the event next week.
And have you seen, I know this is only your second, but do you expect a lot of growth compared to last year's event?
Yeah, I mean, this year it was slightly different. We focused on we are focusing on social determinants of health, and these are factors that affect health other than your direct care or disease. You know, these are things like access to food and access to primary care or preventative care, access to parks and places, social supports, how much family support you have, community support, all of that combined. A lot of experts feel sort of determines 80 to 90% of your health. There's a lot of research going on in this area, and we certainly are, both institutions are committed to making a difference. This is also a new area for entrepreneurs. So this year we have some really interesting companies that are trying to tackle this area directly, trying to collect data, integrate it into the care process, and we do expect a good turnout.
All right. Do you all know some of the companies that'll be attending? Can you touch on some of them for us?
Sure. Yeah. So this year's challenge is really exciting, as Somesh said, because we are focused on these idea of social determinants, which are the types of things that we know have a huge impact on health, right? So it's access to affordable medications, healthy food, whether you live alone, things that are new to the healthcare system to think about how we can impact health. And at Ochsner Blue Cross, we've been partnering with patients to begin to figure out how we can bring those new data sets into care and to be able to provide more proactive and preventative care. So this year's challenge, we had more than 20 companies from around the country submit their ideas about how they could help support us in partnering with our patients to be able to provide more proactive care. And we have two finalists who'll be pitching to us this year, Frisia and Medox. They're from California and New York. And they're very interested in coming to New Orleans, coming to Louisiana, and seeing how they might be able to partner with us to save and change more lives in this state. And so we're really excited to hear their pitch. It'll be an exciting pitch competition, kind of like a Shark Tank or something like that, where members of the community and certainly judges will be able to hear their pitch and hear about how they might be able to help us on what we're already trying to do at Ochsner to try to make a difference and save and change more lives for our patients.
And it's free for anyone to come out and attend as well.
Absolutely. Yeah, and we encourage people to come. The event is Wednesday afternoon, doors open at 2. It begins at 3 p.m. And it's at the Cancer Research Center downtown.
All right. Well, I appreciate both of you, coming on the show and telling us some more about it. You've definitely got some innovative ideas going on, and it sounds like a great competition. I'm looking forward to seeing some video. I'm sure we'll be out there to cover it.
Cool.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And of course, like they said, the Health Innovators Challenge is happening next Wednesday from 2 until 4:30, and that's happening at the Louisiana Cancer Research Center on Tulane Avenue. It's free to attend, and if you'd like more information, you can go to their website at nolaba.org.